wear this shirt. It's a new shirt. I think I might want to wear it. Yeah, I think I'll wear this. Anyway, I've already put my blanket, this pillow and that pillow. The blankets are all back into pillow mode. I'm gonna put this shirt on. I bought this in, I don't remember. All I know is that my husband told me to buy new clothes. The tie-dye is different than what I usually buy, but it looked cute. Trying to change up my style. Anyhow, I'm just gonna go ahead and make my bed. I have the car running right now to warm up the, I want this defrost, but it's not doing it. Anyhow, that's what I do. And then I'm gonna put my couch up. It's great. I guess I could turn the lights on, huh? Anyhow, I'm going to boil some water and make some oatmeal and start my day. Oh, I gotta do my hair and freshen up too. But you don't get to see that. Oh, I'm still recording. Well, hello there. Alright, so I guess I'll just keep recording and I'm gonna freshen up. I'm gonna turn off the heat because it is too hot in here. And the back window's still defrosting. Let me see if I can just turn it down. Alright, so we're gonna make some, I need to do my hair. We are gonna make something to eat. So I tuck my reflectors here, and they're also moving around trying to find their place. Here's my collapsible teapot right here. So whenever I use the stove, I always turn on the fans. I have a fan here, you can see, and then I have a fan that's clipped in the back. And I'm gonna take this fan and we're gonna open the door here that's behind the window, and then we're gonna blow out any possible fumes or anything. So yeah. I've never used these. I know what okay, hang on, I got it. It's like, okay, there we go. Okay. Alright, we're gonna put it here. I love it. There we go. It's in lock mode. There we go. Fire scares me. Rightly so though. Under my seat, I have my food. I have my coffee bin and then my food bin. We are gonna make, of course, Weight Watchers maple brown sugar. Can you see that? I think I'm gonna sit outside and eat my breakfast. I just need to get my shoes on. I think it's nicer out here than it is in the car. One thing I learned, well, I'll take any campsite that's decent and safe. When I made reservations for this campground, this was the only campsite left, which was fine. And I would do it again if it was the only campsite left. But don't park by pit toilet bathrooms, because I don't know why, but this one here, I smell the toilet. So I went over to my neighbors to thank them for letting me ride their electric bike and telling them how much I want one. They are about $1,500. That's a lot of money, but I have 3 adult children and a husband, and if they all put in together and combine Christmas and birthday, they can buy me one, right? That's expensive. my plan is to spend the day here in this park, go to the visitor center. Supposedly on the other side of the island is a, what's the word? An old ranch, a historical ranch. I think checkout time for this place is 11. So you can hear people kind of packing up. What time is it? I should go say hi to my neighbors. They were really nice. Okay, I just finished eating my oatmeal. And I am going to go make me a cup of coffee and something that I built in my van that I want to share that I forget about because I've never used. So from here, I'm going to make my coffee outside. I'm going to do my dishes first with my pop-up. Let me do my dishes. So I am behind on doing my dishes. I made this coffee a couple days ago, and I never did my dishes. I can never get the filter out without making a mess. It's very messy. Using my little pellets that expand. My water over here. Thank you. Oh, those are nice people. Oh, it's on video. They're the nicest people. So, they're from this area, and they live about 15 miles away, but it's an hour drive. They live on the other side of the lake. I think that's what they said. Anyhow, very nice people. He builds little travel trailers on like a trailer that you just buy from the store, like a boat trailer, like a whatever. And he just framed in like a shed. And I took videos of it, and he showed me it. Yeah. I told him he's my hero. Alright, so everything's clean. So we're going to do my coffee out here. I don't know if you see it. Flips up. My stove. Does it fit? This is cool. Okay, so pull this up. This is why we need lots of counter space. I wouldn't have known it unless I tried this, so I'm glad I have the counter space. Can't see the flame. And I like it sweet. I make my coffee really strong, so you have to make it really sweet and very tasteful. Tasteful. What's going on here? There we go. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be way too strong. What did I do? So I didn't get it on video, but the rest of it came out. I have a full cup now. Now it's probably going to be fine. It's not as good. I'm telling you, I love a strong coffee. Let's sit outside. Get my cup shot. My favorite cup. Okay, I need to do my dishes and get ready for the day. Trash here, the brush here. This. Okay. All right. Here we go. I just ate a banana. Got my wallet. I'm gonna go spend my husband's money. All right, let's go. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell.